Hi everyone! In this video I'll be taking you through the steps to install your new roller blind. Fitting a roller blind is a really easy process and this step-by-step guide will help you to get great results. Let's get started. So before we get started, let's look at the components that came in the box. We have a roller blind, we have a spring bracket, we have a control bracket, we have the screws, the plugs and the instructions. To fit your new roller blind, you will also need a drill with the appropriate size drill bit, a screwdriver, Aussie head or Phillips 2, a pencil and a tape measure. Okay, so now we have everything we need, let's get that new roller blind fitted. The brackets we have here we could use for face fix and top fix. So I'm going to offer the blind up to the window, in this case in the recess, and I'm going to see if it's tight or if it's loose so we can adjust where the brackets are fitted. Now we measure out how far from the handles or any obstructions so we can put the bracket in the correct place in the recess. We can also use the bracket for this as it's just the right spacing. So after we've used the bracket or measured out at right distance, we'll put the bracket up to the line and then we'll mark the holes in the recess. So make sure you fit the control end or the spring end on the correct side. If you're fitting into a wall or lintel, make sure you drill with a suitable size drill bit to make your holes, and then push in the plugs. Next, fit your brackets by screwing them in securely with your screwdriver, remembering to keep the plunger side bracket to the correct side. Repeat with the control side bracket. Okay, so that's our brackets in place, now let's fit the blind. With the blind wound up, push the plunger end into the hole on the bracket. Next, simply slide the control side of the blind up into the control side bracket, making sure that the lug is pointing down. All of our roller blinds come with easy brake connectors. Easy brake connectors are made up with two clear plastic connectors on either end of a small piece of control chain. They are designed to come away with the control chain when 6 kilograms of pressure is applied to the chain. This is a required safety feature to avoid entanglement or strangulation. The roller blind chain must be no lower than 600mm off the floor. Anything below 600mm is within reach of young children and therefore possesses a greater risk to health and safety. You can get more info on blind child safety by visiting the fitted instructions page for your blind by scanning the QR code. So that's it, your roller blind is now installed. It operates easily by pulling the rear of the chain down, pulls the blind down, and the front of the chain pulls the blind up. And there you have it, one perfectly fitted roller blind. You can also download a PDF of our fitting guide by scanning the QR code.